What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Gala Games token. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this token. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point when we hit this range of resistance. It is a $0.36 price point, and I've told you that because of this resistance we might go slightly lower, and as you can see we have this movement to the downside. But previously we had this sloping line, and this sloping line represents the bullish divergence because on the price action we had lower lows and we had at the same time higher lows on our side. And this means from this range we had extremely good chances to hit a bounce, and this bounce happened. So what should we expect next, I will show you in my technical analysis, but for now let's continue with the total sentiment for the entire crypto industry. And we are sitting at $2.06 trillion of total market cap. It is a 1.71% increase over the last day. And as you can see, all cryptocurrencies are in green on a 24 hours period. But this movement to the upside is not so significant, just 0.24% and 0.72% for Bitcoin and Ethereum respectively. And BNB is up for 1.3%. But on a 7 days period we have more significant gains, and Bitcoin is up for 3.29%, Ethereum is up for 7.11%, and BNB is up for almost 14.5%. So good movement to the upside, and potentially we might see a trend continuation. And I will show you in my technical analysis what should we expect. So let's continue with the Gala numbers. For now it has a total market cap of $2.33 billion. It is a 3.19% increase over the last day. And the total tradable volume during the last 24 hours is $495.77 million. It is lower than it was previously for 5.8%. So we have pretty much sideways movement with the volume, but we have increase in price, and for now we are in consolidation phase right after we hit this bottom, and as you can see we consolidating this movement to the upside. So let's continue with their official Twitter page. We don't have much news related to this company fundamentally. We have just some kind of inspirational tweet about the play to earn gaming process, and definitely Gala Games is one of the leaders in this type of games. And we have a security alert that was published on January 14th, and it says: Gala Games has no Twitter support account. Always beware of scams like these. They are trying to steal from our community. And here is the screenshot. And always be extremely cautious with this type of news. So, and let's continue with this article. It was published on cryptoslate.com, and it's titled "Which cryptocurrencies made the biggest gains in 2021?" The best performing token of last year is an under-the-radar offering that grew by 45,000%. Insane number. And you can read this article by yourself, but I want to pay attention on this part. And as you can see, we have Decentraland with 3,900%, Harmony One with 5,500%, Cadena 8,900%, Solana 9,400%, Phantom 13,100%. And let me show you that Gala is on the first place with more than 45,000% of last year. So with this huge increase in its price, we definitely have to see deep retracement, and basically for now we have this retracement from its highest point to the lowest one, 65.54%. And it's quite deep retracement, but we might see even lower prices, and everything is possible on the markets. But all in all, with this movement to the upside, we can see the trend continuation, because this token, in my opinion, and this industry in general is extremely booming, and this industry will be among the leaders in 2022, in my opinion. So let's continue with this article, and it is extremely interesting article that was published on cryptoreporter.com, and it's titled "Gala Games Reshaping Gaming, Returning Power to the Players." And it is extremely long and extremely interesting article, and you can read it by yourself. And right here you can find the major news that they have more than 5 billion in venture capital money. They have extremely powerful community, and as you can see, community is the more. And I think this type of assets and this type of industry in 2022 will have a huge impact not only on the gaming industry, but also on a crypto industry as well. So, and let's continue with this information. We are on apewisdom.io on a crypto top folder, and the Gala game token is on the 70th place, and it's up during the last 24 hours by 109 rows. It doesn't have a huge amount of mentions, just 10, with the increase by 67%, and this means we don't have enough fundamentals that might drive the price of Gala higher. That's why we can rely on the total sentiment of the crypto market, and that's why we can rely on the Bitcoin price chart. But before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let's compare the price action on Gala Games with the price action on BTC. Right here we have the price chart of Bitcoin, and as you can see, during last couple of weeks, Gala Games price chart mimics the movements of Bitcoin. This means we can strongly rely on the Bitcoin price chart, and in my opinion, Bitcoin is showing some kind of strength signals, and we might see an uptrend, an upcoming uptrend that will drive all the cryptocurrency higher. And until we won't see major news related to Gala itself, this confluence with the price of Bitcoin will continue. So, and let me delete this. What should we expect next? As you can see, we have the bottom right here at the 29 cents price point, and it is confluence with previous top right here at this very point. And technically we have first movement to the upside with slight increase in volume, and then when we have this movement to the downside, the volume was lower, and this means it might be another consolidation phase before the next leg to the upside. So let's measure the latest movement from this bottom to this top. I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool, and what do we have right here? As you can see, we hit exactly to the tick the golden pocket pattern. It is the most probable range of trend reversal, and from this range definitely we have a bounce. And this means we might see a next leg to the upside, but we have to be cautious. Technically, from the investor's standpoint, our major accumulation points are right here at the ranges of about 35 cents, and right here about 25 cents. So, if you want to invest in this asset, you can buy on every daily red candle, but main accumulation points might be at these levels. But if you want to catch the trade, you can accumulate your position right here, but your stop loss should be on a swing lows. So, let me delete this tool for now, I don't need it. And the downside potential from our current range might be up to 5% to this bottom, and up to, let me show you, up to 14% to the range slightly below this previous bottom. This means we have an upside potential, let me show it to you, from our current price to our first target of about 10%, and it is not so significant. We have to break it to the upside in order to establish higher highs and higher lows, basically to establish a new uptrend. Next target might be at 65% of potential profits, and next might be right here at 89%. So every swing high might be our next potential target, and you can measure this movement by yourself. But let me show you that on a greater scale we have following targets, and to project these targets I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from this bottom to this top and to the bottom of the retracement, and the most conservative target is right here at 0.786 Fibonacci extension range. It is a 90 cents price point. Next one at $1 price point, and the most aggressive one at $1.55. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!